Get a one-of-a-kind family photo using MavicMini at your next outdoor party. Rocket Mode delivers a wide view to capture all of the action and family members in one epic shot. Open the DJI Fly app and choose Rocket in QuickShots. Set the flight altitude and select the target subject by tapping or dragging a box around it. Tap Start and MavicMini will ascend vertically with its camera pointing downward to record the subject automatically and create an increasingly broader view. To exit a QuickShot during shooting, tap the X on the right side of your screen or short press the upper left button on the remote controller and the aircraft will stop and hover in place. After shooting, the app will automatically generate a 15-second video. You can preview the video you just finished in the playback interface, and you will find it has been automatically edited with background music. Tap the QuickShots icon at the bottom right to switch back to the original clip. You can also tap Edit at the bottom right of the screen to redo the edit. After editing is finished, don't forget to share the video with friends on social media.
Hit the like button if this tutorial was helpful. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description. Thank you for watching.